Alright, quick 3-part crash course on network security. Part 1, the why and the what. A network is just devices talking. Laptops, phones, servers, over wires or Wi-Fi so data can move. Security is about the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Confidentiality means only the right people see the data. Integrity means nobody tampers with it. Availability means the system stays up when you need it. Threats, malware, phishing, man-in-the-middle, DDoS, insider mistakes, misconfigurations. Attack paths usually hit 3 angles: the human, phishing; the endpoint, unpatched devices; the network path itself, sniffing or spoofing. Keep that mental model: humans, devices, data in transit. Part 2, the core defenses. Identity first. Authentication, authorization. Use strong auth, password managers, plus MFA. Authorization is least privilege, only the access you need, nothing extra. Encryption, 2 flavors. At rest, disk encryption, database encryption. In transit, TLS for web, SSH for admin, VPNs for secure tunnels. Network boundaries, firewalls filter traffic by rules. IDS-e IPS spot suspicious patterns. Think alarms that can also auto-block. Segmentation, don't put everything on one flat network. Use VLANs, subnets, access control lists. Zero trust mindset, verify explicitly, assume breach, continuously evaluate device and user health. Patching and hardening or C. Update OS, update firmware, update apps, disable unused services, close default ports. Backups, 3-2-1 rule, 3 copies, 2 media types, 1 offsite or offline. Test restores, not just backups. Part 3. People, process, visibility. Policies set expectations, acceptable use, remote access, data handling. Keep them short, clear, and enforced. Training, teach phishing recognition, safe attachments, and reporting. Simulate, don't shame. Monitoring, logs are your black box. Collect from endpoints, firewalls, identity providers, and cloud. Centralize an SIEM so you can correlate events. Failed logins, new admin accounts, spikes in traffic. Incident response, have a playbook: detect, contain, eradicate, recover, review. Practice with tabletop exercises. Metrics, track patch latency, MFA coverage, phishing click rate, mean time to detect and respond. Compliance doesn't equal security, but it helps you measure. Quick recap: protect identities with MFA and least privilege, encrypt everywhere, segment your network, patch fast, log everything, and practice incidents before they happen. Start small, enable MFA today, update critical devices, and turn on automatic OS and firmware updates. Then map your network, segment high-value assets, and lock down remote access with VPN and conditional access. If this helped, I can go deeper on firewalls, or zero trust next. Stay curious, stay patched, and don't click sketchy links.